Ready? Hey guys, so for today's video we will be reviewing Konjac sponge. I've got the pink Konjac sponge which I got from Primark, and I really wanted to use it for a long time. I haven't used it in a long time. Actually, it's my first time using it, but I really wanted to use it and talk about the Konjac sponge, which I haven't I did, but I didn't really take it out. I thought I should do it in front of a camera, and yeah, this is what it looks like. The interesting part about a Konjac sponge is that it's really it's really gentle. It might look rough, but it's actually really gentle, and it's really good for the skin. I read it somewhere that you could actually use this every single day to you need to wear it, but just don't use it on your bare face. What the hell? So this Konjac sponge is also considered to be as really super gentle exfoliator. Even sensitive skin could actually use this. So surprisingly, this is also said to be 100% natural, because it is actually made from konjac plants, and it's actually really good for the skin. The konjac plant also contains tons of vitamins like vitamin E, A, and C, D. I think. I read it somewhere, so please. I've got. My memory comes quite bad when it comes to remembering stuff, but yeah, this is actually quite good. But it does have a lot of vitamins and stuff like that, especially if you're against using scrubs. I'm against using scrubs because the last time I used scrubs I ended up having pimples, and I still do. I don't know if you guys could actually see it, but give me a sec, let me just focus on this. Wait, can you see it? Yeah. So no. So yeah, this is what. Okay, it's kind of focused on the camera. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's actually really good for us. It will regenerate your skin, refresh it, clean it up, and your skin will look super radiant. Anyways, I'm not going to be talking about brands, but Konjac sponge can be quite cheap. But do make sure that when you buy a Konjac sponge, you do make sure that it's actually quite hard, because you can hear it it actually seems like a foam or something. But yeah, please do make sure that you buy a hard one, because that's what you actually want, that's what you're actually going for. Konjac sponge could vary from £1 to £10, it depends, but honestly it's the same thing, so you don't need to spend a crazy amount of money to get your Konjac sponge. A £1 Konjac sponge will do you fine, because it's literally plant. And also this thing will last you 2 to 4 weeks. So please do make sure that you change it regularly after every 2 or 4 weeks, because yeah, it won't really work. And anyways, I still haven't soaked this. I need to soak this so that it could be soft and so that I could use it on my skin, because I'm about to hit the bed, and I really need, and I don't really have any makeup on or whatsoever. I do have some balm on, but yeah, I don't really have any makeup on or whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna wet this in a bit. So the first time using your Konjac sponge, do make sure that you soak it in the water for 15 minutes, because as you can see, the Konjac sponge is actually quite hard. So you can't use this rock on your face, because it's just, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my warm water and I'll be using this, and then after this I'll be following it with a mask. Yeah, and then I'll let you know what my skin looks like. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my Konjac sponge. Like, I actually waited for 15 minutes and now I'm gonna rub it on my face. Oh, you're supposed to rub it everywhere except for, you know, your under eyes. So let me just open my nose ring. Okay. It feels like a massager, honestly. Like, it feels quite nice. As you can see, I tried to smell, but it didn't really smell. And after you're done using, do make sure that you wash it. Unfortunately, I didn't really have a tissue paper with me, so I was just trying like that. But yeah, you do want to take a tissue paper or something to try it. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes that I've, you know, used the sponge, and it honestly felt so good on my face. Like, I literally loved it. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it literally felt so soft on my skin, like feathers on my skin. And it wasn't that rough. It was amazing. What else? So while I was exfoliating my face, it didn't even feel like I was actually exfoliating my face. Like, it felt so smooth on my skin. I mean, that's what I was looking for. Like, I was actually looking for a gentle exfoliant, and I am so glad that I found Konjac sponge, because that really did help. I'm really happy with what I found. So yeah, and also it's really good for sensitive skin as well. If you've got eczema, pimple, acne, definitely go for it, because I honestly loved it, and I'm sure you will love it as well. Like, I hope so. So yeah. But you see, the downside of this exfoliant is I actually hung my exfoliant sponge over there. Wait, give me a sec, be right back. So yeah, back. So I think, you know, the good side about this is that, like, you know, it's really soft on the skin, but then again, the con is that, you know, you need to buy this over and over again. But like, you know, if you're like more, and even if you buy it over and over again, it won't be really bad on the environment, because it's really good. This is actually healthy for the environment. Yeah, it's actually really good. So yeah, the downside is that you have to take care of this. Actually use this every single day. Like, it's actually really good for your skin. And you know, the more you use it on your skin, younger it will look. So yeah, definitely, I mean, go for this. It's actually quite good. I do recommend using this. Also guys, if you didn't like this video, then please do give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I know thumbs down doesn't really work anymore, but like, you know, help me out. Let me know how it is. So yeah, do give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe. And if you didn't like me using this, and if you want more videos like this, then please do comment down below so that I can make more videos like this. And if you didn't like this, then let me know what videos I could actually make for you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Bye.